Yeah. Long-term risk, a long game. You know, like it's an investment piece. Oh yeah, what's that?
Kevin! Bro, this is the most archive shit you probably could do. Bring coffee to the house.
Quiero sentirte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos, verte junto a mí.
It's all good sizes too. Thank God. Pretty nice size. Oh, it's too small. Fuck.
I don't know, like, we're going to bed at like 6 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Can't imagine.
Let me look at these.
I took him a nap also.
I'm in the afternoon. Damn. That's so pretty.
Yeah. For now, chilling. Like, close that deal here.
You don't.
Come with you Venmo 14K.
That's wild. May he rest in stepper peace.
Yeah. They're fucking cooked too. Someone ran it through.
Oh.
Clear beige.
Yo, Keezy.
I'll play clear beige.
Keezy, you want these?
They're cooked.
Nah, he'll rejuvenate them with his
that
feet.
shit looks kind of yellow.
Oh. They look like they're about to crackle.
Like,
translucent sweat.
No. I know that shit foggy.
Like the CDG dunks.
Yeah, I don't like the CDG dunks, bro. I know that shit foggy when you wear it.
I bet you sweat. Dang. Oh, it's gorgeous. Type 2. With the iron pleat. I love deep pockets. Like, yeah, boxing coat pockets are called deep pockets. And then I'm pretty sure that's a 60s type 3. Actually, it might be.
Like, how do the sleeves feel? Like, the shoulder?
Yeah, you can't even move too well, huh? Yeah. It looks good though.
Our jacket is very pricey. My husband asked me $350 for that.
Oh, okay.
It's very old.
She got the jackets though. She got them, but just not the right size. Damn, bro, it's endless.
Yeah.
I can't find any. Oh, it's just black pants.
You want one of these?
Bro,
That's crazy.
that's sick. Dude, try it on.
Dude, this is wild.
Pete? You're
You wanna be Pete?
You're gonna be Pete? You want me to hold it?
Yes. Wait, no, let me drop this.
Alright. Let's see how it looks.
My hand in that thing.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, it fits well.
Yeah.
It is. You look buff,
I love that.
but like chunky buff. Kanye buff. Thick buff.
Dicky buff.
At least it fits.
Yeah.
It could be like a little rotational item. It used to have a hood
Yeah.
from the zipper.
It's like
Yeah.
a zipper there, right? Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice though.
Como si fuera esta noche la última vez que tengo miedo
Really cold? This year, last year was hot. Really?
quiero sentirte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos.
It's always next shot, I guess. You know. But I really don't think that they make fake. Because I got a pair of like Xenia, like Fear God, like loafers.
Yeah.
And I'm like, nah, like they don't have fakes of these. Got that security.
At least cool though. Proper.
It's closed at 6. Oh shit.
What time is it?
5:30.
Yeah, we took 30 minutes trying to do Daniels.
My fault.
Junto a mí. Piensa que tal vez mañana eu estaré lejos, muy lejos de ti.
Alright. It has been some time since I've appeared on this channel. Welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Dave Jones and I make kind of fashion content not so consistently. And I have a reason for that, but more so an excuse. The past year I've been living in Oregon, working for some really cool brands, especially some that you guys might know. And during that time, I'm also a full-time graphic designer. Like, that's my profession, that's my career field. And so I worked at branding agencies and worked on projects from Nike to Adidas to Under Armour and so forth. And so for that first year, it was really busy for me. But I'm really thankful that I had the experience to do so, because I wouldn't really be able to have taken another leap into my career. It's kind of what I've been up to. And it's been a really tough experience and a lot of hard lessons. Being a designer within the fashion world is not as amazing as it may seem sometimes. It's a lot of grueling work. But then on the flip side of that, it's also very rewarding when you see your client's collection go live, or, you know, a sense of pride of completion and a hand in success. And so now I'm kind of embarking on a journey where, you know, I'm still pushing to build those relationships. But enough about that, really. If you guys want me to make a video about what it's like being a graphic designer in the fashion industry, let me know. It's something that I think I have enough knowledge on talking about. I'm a 6-year creative, so that means 6 years in the game. It's pretty fun. But yeah, I hope to make more content on YouTube. I just wanted to ease myself into it. I'm not someone that normally vlogs. I normally just make tutorial videos or stuff like that. So I think I might figure out what's next. But if you all have a suggestion of videos to make, please leave it down below. It's been a full year, so it's kind of nerve-wracking releasing a video after so long. I'm active on my other socials. I'll leave them somewhere on the screen. If you would like to take a peep on what I'm building, what I'm creating, making, definitely give those follows if you want. Thank you for watching. See you around. Peace.
Quiero sentirte muy cerca, mirarme en tus ojos.